Hey, thank you so much.
You got.
See you. Good to see you. Thanks for letting me drive your Hellcat.
Oh yeah, man.
That thing is nuts. The 458 rebuild. We're gonna drive it again.
Oh yeah.
All fixed.
Awesome.
Okay, buddy.
Good times, man. Good.
All right, back at the airport here in Jacksonville. I gotta jump on American Airlines and fly back to Orange County. All right, got my boarding passes, and I got about an hour, which is perfect to get some coffee once I get through security. Man, what a blast I had here in Jacksonville in the span of less than 48 hours. I gotta come back, hang out with Paul and the boys again, check out the 458 when it's done. Hey, look at this. It's a cool old race car. Back in Orange County. Just got off the plane, took a cab, and met Protective Film Solutions. So they rewrapped the front end. Oh, that looks way better. Look at that, nice and clear again. Man, they do an awesome job here. Because this was all beat up. Wow. Oh, it looks way better.
Wow. Ooh, is that your car?
Yeah.
Dude, how much money do you have? Is that an Aventador?
It's a Huracan.
Oh, Hurricane. Wow.
My card.
I owe
what's up,
you a
dude?
huge hug.
Why?
Looks awesome.
Looks good, doesn't it?
As always.
I think I might even still have one of your cards in case it's
This is pretty cool. It's a print for the wall of my car. Look at all the cars. Ryan's car. Dan's Martini 918. Ferris Razzani's Beast. One of the cars from GMG. This Celine, I don't know who this belongs to. The hovering 488, look at this. Car and the light looks so insane. This thing just comes to life in the sun. Man, so grateful to the guys at Protective Film Solutions. My headlights look so much better. The yellow is nice and clear. The car took a real beating on Snowball Rally, which I expected, but they rewrapped the whole front end of the car and rewrapped the yellow covers. We took as you saw probably in my other video, we peeled off the clear plex that was on the windshield, but I'm gonna get a new banner put on tomorrow, and they're gonna re-ceramic coat the front end. It really protects the white from getting any sort of discoloration from dirt and debris. My wife's flying in the airport in like a couple hours, so I have to go find a vehicle that's not a two-seater Lambo because my wife and my daughter are coming. So I need to go find a rental. I also need to check into our hotel. It's about 25 minutes away in Anaheim. I'm currently in Santa Ana where Ryan's shop is, so that's about it. I've had a long day of flying. I'm kind of tired, and I have a ton of editing to do. That's the hardest part. Doing all the filming isn't the hardest part. Doing the editing is the hardest part. It takes hours, like 4 to 5 hours per video. All right, let's go get, do I need gas? No, I got gas. That's one less thing on my list. Okay guys, let's roll on the Huracan. Kind of glad to be back in this thing, I'm stoked. I need some summer tires still though, because it does not have traction.